Hi, myself Nancy, and today we are going to learn about general activities conversation drill. So basically this conversation video is between two persons, S1 first person and here S2 means second person. Before starting the video, I have one request for all my viewers. Watch the video till the end. I hope whatever your doubt, queries may be crystal clear, means शीशे की तरह साफ. So, conversation drill A. So, let's start. Here, S1 means first person, S2 means second person. And one thing you can notice more here, that here it is written A, capital A, and here it is written capital B, and nothing it is written. Means, instead of A, we can say these words, and instead of B, we can say these words. One by one, all the words we have to say in A term and in B term, one by one, all these things we can say in B terms. So let us learn how to say this. So let's start. Person 1 is telling, please sit down and talk to me. Second person is replying, are you? A means typing a letter, and first person is telling, yes, I am. What are you doing? Second person is replying, at the moment I am looking for someone. Again, same thing we have to do again and again. Same thing we have to repeat, that thing, that thing, that thing. So let us repeat like this only. Please sit down and talk to me. Are you? This one happened. Now this one. Are you painting a picture? Yes, I am. What are you doing? Then, at the moment, I am just walking around. This also happened and this also happened. Again, third time. Please sit down and talk to me. Are you reading the paper? Yes, I am. What are you doing? Waiting for a friend. So this also happened and this also happened. Next, fourth term. Please sit down and talk to me. Are you watching television? Yes, I am. What are you doing? Just resting a bit. So this also happened, this also happened. Now fifth term. Please sit down and talk to me. Are you listening to a record? Yes, I am. What are you doing? Getting ready for dinner. This also happened, this also happened. Now sixth term. Please sit down and talk to me. Are you working on something? Yes, I am. What are you doing? At the moment, I am doing my work. This also happened, this also happened. Next, seventh term. Please sit down and talk to me. Are you writing a report? Yes, I am. What are you doing? At the moment, I am practicing English with you. This also happened, this also happened. Please sit down and talk to me. Are you solving a puzzle? Yes, I am. What are you doing? At the moment, I am relaxing for a few minutes. This also happened, this also happened. This one, conversation, we have to learn this way, which way I taught you. Conversation drill B. This also same way we have to read as we have read in above example. So let's start. Here also S1 first person, S2 second person, and first person second person. Again and again I will not speak these things. I will not make you confused. So let's start. What do you want to do tonight? Would you like to? A means watch television. That would be nice. There's a good program on channel 3. This example also we did, this also we did. Again, next, second term. What do you want to do tonight? Would you like to? go blowing with us? That would be nice. That's a good blowing alley nearby. This also happened, this also happened. Next, third term. What do you want to do tonight? Would you like to see a movie? That would be nice. That's a good show at the corner theater. This also happened, this also happened. Now, fourth term. What do you want to do tonight? Would you like to listen to the radio? That would be nice. That's a good comedy on station WXQZ. This also happened, this also happened. Fifth term. What do you want to do tonight? Means what do you want to do tonight? Answer is coming out here. Would you answer, or he is asking, would you like to attend a concert? That would be nice. That's a good orchestra at the auditorium. This also happened, this also happened. Next means first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth term. Sixth term. What do you want to do tonight? Would you like to hear some folk music? That would be nice. That's a good group of musicians at the Star Club. This also happened, this also happened. Seventh term. What do you want to do tonight? Would you like to go to a play? That would be nice. That's a good play which just opened. This also happened, this also happened. Next, last but not the least, what do you want to do tonight? Would you like to look for paintings? That would be nice. That's a good art gallery on 8th Star. This also happened, this also happened. So these things we have to do this way. This conversation we have to do this way. Here is some information for all my viewers. If you want to learn more basic English, then you can follow to my first channel, Nancy Juliana, and also you can follow me on Instagram. The link is given below. Go and check it. If this video is really helpful to you, then subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon also. Thanks for watching the video. So take care of yourself and bye-bye.